Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's start today's video. Leisure Travel Vans is a company that specializes in manufacturing recreational vehicles RVs, including Class B and Class C motorhomes. The Unity FX is one of the models they offer within their Unity lineup. The Unity FX is a luxurious Class B motorhome built on the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis. It's designed to provide a comfortable and versatile travel experience for individuals or families who enjoy leisure travel and adventure. Here are some key features and aspects of the Unity FX motorhome. 1. Floor plans. The Unity FX typically comes in several floor plan options, offering various arrangements for sleeping, dining, and living spaces to suit different preferences and needs. 2. Interior design. Leisure travel vans are known for their high-quality interiors. The Unity FX features premium materials, modern finishes, and smart space utilization to create a comfortable and stylish living environment. 3. Bedroom. Depending on the floor plan, the Unity FX may include a rear bedroom area with a comfortable bed. Some models offer a Murphy bed design that can be folded away to create more living space during the day. 4. Kitchen. The motorhome is equipped with a well-appointed kitchen area, typically including amenities such as a refrigerator, stove, microwave, sink, and ample storage space for cookware and supplies. 5. Bathroom. The Unity FX usually includes a compact bathroom with a toilet, sink, and shower. The design optimizes space without sacrificing comfort and functionality. 6. Entertainment. Leisure travel vans often incorporate entertainment systems into their motorhomes. The Unity FX may feature options such as a flat-screen TV, stereo system, and connectivity for multimedia devices. 7. Exterior features. Outside, the Unity FX may offer features like awnings, exterior storage compartments, and hookups for utilities such as electricity and water. 8. Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis. The Unity FX is built on the reliable and capable Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis, known for its performance, safety, and fuel efficiency. 9. Customization options. Leisure travel vans typically offer various customization options and upgrades, allowing buyers to personalize their Unity FX to better suit their preferences and needs. Please note that specific features and specifications of the Unity FX may vary depending on the model year and any updates or changes made by Leisure Travel Vans. Thanks for watching.